Hi students, welcome to Describing Experiences. Today we're going to check the use of phrases to specify time, place, and information of experiences. So, the first part. What are your experiences? So, we have some examples. For example, experiencing a new culture on a vacation or a trip. Also, are events that have happened to you or your family. Also, are funny situations with other persons. How can we talk about our experiences? We use simple past or present perfect to talk about our experiences. We have here some examples. The first is I went to Cancun. This is simple past. And I have swum in the sea. This is perfect present. So, we're going to check how can we specify the place. In order to specify the place of the experience, we can add the name of the place. It could be a city, an island, a country, a natural wonder, a place to practice sports, etc. We have here some examples. In the first, I went to France. This is the name of a country. And also we have, I have played soccer in a stadium. This is a place where people practice sports or play sports. Now, we're going to specify the time. We can specify the time of the experience by saying the year, the month, the week, or the day. We have here some examples. The same example, and we just add the information. The first example says, I went to France last year. And then we have, I have played in a stadium 2 days in this week. So, in order to specify the time, we can use last year or days in this week, depending of the experience. Now, we're going to check the information of the experience. We can give more information about the experiences using some adjectives about the experiences. For example, good, it was good, amazing, boring, fun, scary. We have here the same example. I went to France last year, it was impressive. So, as you can see, this phrase gives more information about the experience. In the another example is I have played soccer in a stadium 2 days in this week. It has been amazing. So you can use these phrases in order to share better your information of your experiences. Now you can share your experiences better. Write in the comments one experiences that you have had. You can add the place, the time, and the characteristic of the experience. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next class.